Hello, I am Cindy Hackelberg, your NDP candidate in Thornhill. I was born and raised in New York Region and live here in Thornhill with my husband David. We love this community and want it to be the best it can be. I'm running in this election because I care deeply about this community and believe it is time for positive change. The NDP has a plan that focuses on creating jobs, strengthening healthcare, and making life more affordable. Here in Thornhill, I understand the challenges residents face. Thornhill needs reliable transit. As a senior manager in the high-tech industry, I commute daily to my job using GO Transit from Langstaff Station. Trains are overcrowded and service is infrequent. We have seniors who are on long waiting lists for home care, and wait times in our emergency rooms are much too long. Many people do not have a family doctor. And recently, Ontario's poor math scores have become national news. As a mathematics graduate, it concerns me that our children are not learning basic math skills. Our children deserve an education that prepares them for success as adults. Andrea Horwath and the New Democrats are committed to delivering results for families in Ontario. We will reward companies that create new jobs. We will invest in home care for seniors. We will cut emergency room wait times in half. We will reduce auto insurance by 15% immediately. And we will stop government waste and make your government accountable. This election, voters can choose leadership that makes sense. I will work for you, Thornhill, and proudly be a champion for our community at Queen's Park. On June 12, vote Cindy Hackelberg.